Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Time is very powerful. In time everything can be done. In time you can become very happy, and in time you can become very distressed, very much distressed, unhappy. Time can give. And time is also Krishna. Kala Rupe. When you'll find in the Bhagavad-gita that in the 11th chapter, just now forget, who are you? The Virat Rupa, the universal form, saying, Arjuna said, who are you? So he said that I am in the Kala Rupa, in the form of time now. I have come to kill all of them. So therefore our business should be that this life should be utilized only for complete Krishna consciousness, no other business. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's. And it is not very difficult, not at all difficult. Kirtaniya Sadahari. But it is difficult, it is very difficult to chant Hare Krishna mantra 24 hours. Those are not accustomed, they become mad simply by chanting. It is not a big. You cannot imitate Haridas Thakur. Then now I shall go in a secluded place and chant Hare Krishna. It is not possible, sir. It requires great advancement of spiritual life when one can concentrate in chanting Hare Krishna mantra. It is not so easy. Therefore, for neophytes, we must have many engagements. In the neophyte stage, if you try to imitate the advanced stage, then it will be simply ludicrous. In the neophyte stage, we must be always engaged. Krishna has got different venues of rendering service. You can serve Krishna in so many ways. Karmana manasa vacha itavat janma safallam dehinam yudhishu. Karmana manasa vacha sriyam acharet. Sriya acharanam sada. Karmana manasa. We have got three venues. By working, karmana, by thinking, manasa, karmana manasa vacha, and by speaking we can do things. Karmana manasa vacha. So these three dandas sannyas means there are four dandas. One danda is the symbol of his person, and the other three dandas, they are a symbol of his body, mind, and speeches. This danda means, perhaps you know, do not know, right? So karmana, this danda means I have taken now vow to engage myself in whatever assets I have got. So I have got my assets. I can work with my body, I can work with my mind, and I can work by speaking. So Tridanda Sannyas means one who has devoted his life, means his activities, his body and his speeches. That is Tridanda Sannyas. Anyone who has devoted his mind, his body and his speeches for the service of the Lord, he is sannyasi. Sannyasi does not mean simply changing the dress and thinking otherwise. No. Sannyasi, anyone, it does not matter whether the dress is changed or not. If one is fully engaged by his body, mind and words, sa sannyasi anasita karma phalam karjam karma karoti sa sannyasi, Krishna says. Who is sannyasi? Anasita karma phalam. I shall speak for Krishna. Now, what profit he will get? No matter what is profit, I shall speak for Krishna. That's all. Sa sannyasi. Krishna says, this is my duty. Karjam. Karjam means duty. It is my duty to speak for Krishna only. That's all. I am not going to speak anything. He is a sannyasi. Anasita karma. Now, if you engage some lawyer to speak for you in the court, immediately bring him $2,000. He'll charge. But a sannyasi will speak 24 hours for Krishna. No expectation of profit. That is sannyasi. 24 hours engaging the body for Krishna's work. He is a sannyasi. 24 hours thinking of Krishna. He is a sannyasi. This is sannyasi. No other business. Anasita karma phalam karjam karma. Everyone is working for his personal benefit. How much money I shall get? How much name and fame and reputation I shall get? For his personal profit. That is material. That is material. As soon as you work for your personal benefit, that is material. And as soon as you work for Krishna's benefit, that is spiritual. That's all. This is the distinction between material and spiritual.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare